an introduction to chess. There are many games which are played indoors like carom, snake and ladder, ludo, business, chess, and so on. Today, we shall try to know in brief about the indoor game chess. This game is of Indian origin and was called Sadurang, also Chaturang. Chess is a board game played between two. The playing board is marked with squares in black and white. It is said to be the battlefield where each player safeguards his king. Each player has 16 pieces of colors, either black or white. The pieces are one king, one queen, two bishops, two knights, two rooks, and 8 pawns. Each player has a white square on the corner of his or her right. The player who has chosen the white pieces makes the first move. The pawn always moves ahead one square. The knight moves like the letter L. The bishop moves diagonally. The rook moves horizontally or vertically. The queen moves any number of squares horizontally, vertically or diagonally. And the king can move one square in any direction. When the piece moves to the square occupied by an opponent's piece, it is said to be captured. The captured piece is now out of the chessboard. The players should avoid their pieces being captured. They should safeguard their kings. The player before capturing the opponent king says check. This word acts as a warning to the opponent to protect his king in the next move. The player whose king is in the check should make a move to safeguard the king. If there is no way to save the king, the player is checkmated and loses the game. Get ready, let's play chess. Meanings: brief, short. Origin, beginning. battle, fight. Ahead, in front. Opponent, enemy. Capture, arrest. Let us read. Vishwanathan Anand was born on December 11th, 1969 in Mayiladurai, a small town in Tamil Nadu. He was taught chess by his mother. His other hobbies are reading, swimming, and listening to music. He is the Indian chess master and the current world chess champion. He was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2007 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the year 1991. He is popularly known as the Lightning Kid. Poem School and Me by Hemant Suryakant. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. And I told my mom. You have to go to school, my son. You have to go to school, my son, my mom told me. But they don't let me talk in school. They don't let me talk in school, I told my mom. They teach you how to talk in school. They teach you what to talk in school, and my mom told me. But they don't let me play in school. They don't let me play in school, I told my mom. They teach you how to play in school. They teach you what to play in school, and my mom told me. But they always make me study in school. They always make me study in school, I told my mom. You have to study new things in school. You have to study nice things in school, my mom told me. But I miss my brother and you in school. I miss my brother and you in school, I told my mom. Your friends are your brothers in school. Your teachers are your moms in school, my mom told me. Oh really? Oh really? I would love to go to school, my mom. I love to go to school, my mom. And that's a promise to you. Rhyme time. Read and enjoy Whole Duty of Children by R. L. Stevenson. A child should always say what's true and speak when he is spoken to, and behave mannerly at table, at least as far as he is able. Activities. Match the picture with their respective game. Stick, hockey. Bat, cricket. Racket, tennis. Ball, football. Stick, shot ball. Coins, carom. Chessboard, chess. Classify the games as indoor and outdoor. Snake and ladder, indoor. Cricket, outdoor. Table tennis, indoor. Carom board, indoor. Hockey, outdoor. Football, outdoor. Opposites. War, peace. First, last. Indoor, outdoor. Opponent, friend. Move, stable. Circle the word that matches the picture. This is a flower. This is a sea. This is a ring. This is a pail. This is a nose. This is an eye. This is the sun. This is a hair. This is blue. Vowels. A is used when a word starts with a consonant sound. An is used before a word that starts with a vowel sound. The is used before a noun that stands for a particular person or a thing. Put a or an before the given words. An apple. A house. An aeroplane. An hour. A window. A table. Pronoun. Words that are used instead of a noun are called pronouns. He, his, she and her are words that are used instead of a noun. Let us read this paragraph. George likes to play cricket. He has joined his school team and has been practicing regularly. Blessy is his sister. Reading books is her hobby. She has joined a library and has been reading many books. George wants to become a famous player like Sachin, while Blessy wants to become like the fairy in the fairy tale Cinderella. In this paragraph, let us see the pronouns used instead of the noun George. He, his, his. Pronouns used instead of Blessy are her, she. Use the correct pronouns in the following sentence instead of the nouns in the bracket. Dash is dreaming. Simon. He is dreaming. Dash is green. Grass. It is green. Dash are on the wall. The posters. They are on the wall. Dash is running. The dog. It is running. Dash are watching TV. my mother and I. We are watching TV. Dash are in the garden. Shibu and Vijay. They are in the garden. Dash are in the garden. Shibu and Vijay. They are in the garden. Dash father's name is Anand. Sita's. Her father's name is Anand. Dash has got a brother, Diana. She has got a brother. Dash won a prize, money. He won a prize. Riddle time. What doesn't change its house when it moves? A snail. What kind of clock can you wear? A watch. What insect makes sweet combs? A bee. What gets lighter as it gets bigger? A balloon. What animal has a pocket but no coat? A kangaroo. What goes pop when it gets hot? Popcorn. What does an upside down 6 make? The number 9.